I'm Danushka. You all are warmly welcome to my YouTube channel as well to my Facebook page English for a Solid Foundation. Today also I am going to discuss an interesting lesson, that is collective nouns. Collective noun is a collection of things taken as whole. Most of collective nouns in everyday speech are not specific to one kind of things, such as the word group. The word group can be applied for people, group of people. As well, we can apply for animals, group of animals. Usually, collective noun takes singular forms, but sometimes it can take plural form either. There are few nouns on my board. I will take them for example. Staff, police and family. When we consider the noun staff, it consists many employees, or you can look at that as an individual employee. If you look at that as an entire unit, then you can keep the context in singular form. If you look at that staff as individual members, then you can keep it in plural form. I will show it in an example. Staff was invited to the birthday party. Staff was invited to the birthday party. Here, the context is in singular form. Staff was. Here, the speaker or the writer talks about entire staff. Therefore, it is in singular form. If we move to another example, staff were invited to the birthday party. Here, the speaker or the writer talks not the entire unit as a staff. He talks individual members. Therefore, that context in plural form. I hope it is clear to my students. For more clarification, I will take another example. Staff goes on the annual trip in this weekend. Staff goes on the annual trip in this weekend. Goes, the verb goes is in singular form. Therefore, the writer or the speaker indicates the entire staff. He wants to mention the entire staff. That is why that context is in singular form. Another example, my family are qualified in diploma in English. My family are qualified. My family are. That is in plural form, because the writer or the speaker wants to talk individual members, not the entire family. Individual member, maybe husband is having a certificate in diploma. Wife is having a certificate in diploma. Maybe their few children are having the same certificate. He is not talking about the entire family. He is talking individual member. That is why this context is in plural form. My family is going on a trip tomorrow. My family is going on a trip tomorrow. Here, the speaker or the writer talks about the entire family. Entire family. That is why this context is in singular form. If it is difficult to differentiate when to use singular, when to use plural form, there's another trick that you can use. You can use another noun instead of collective nouns as a subject. Staff members. Staff member. if you use the noun member, staff become an adjective. Member become the subject. So staff member is singular form. Staff members are plural form. It is very easy. As well, you can use police officer. Police officer is singular form. Police officers are in plural form. That is what I have to basically share with you in collective nouns, because it is very critical point for students when to use singular forms and when to use plural form with collective nouns. At the same time, I will mention few collective nouns that are commonly used in our day-to-day usage. Those are group of people. Group of people, it is very common. Herd of elephant. Herd of elephant. If you go on a jungle, you will see many elephants. You can call them herd of elephants. Herd of monkeys. Herd of cattle. Comb of banana. Like that, there are so many collective nouns in our day-to-day usage. I hope my students learn lot of things from my lesson. If it is so, that please subscribe my YouTube channel and be at home, be safe. Thank you very much.